What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So some of you guys might know this car, some of you guys might not, but it's my homie Andres. I haven't seen him in a cool minute and he finally decided to come visit me. Can you open the door please, sir? We just got back from LA and we just locked in a run with another 370. So we're gonna go link up, catch a few fun runs, and I'm gonna record the process. Let's go. You guys made it to the meetup spot. My boy Eric, I've seen you a long time, bro. Sit down. You ready or what? You gonna jump in or what? No, I can't. My boy pulled up in the clean 370 with the amuse bumper. He said, "Tengo novia, bro. Back the fuck up, bro." Hell yeah, his Instagram. Sick ass fool. No bumper, boys. Hey, bro, why you lying to me? I see this big ass 3-inch intakes right there. Naturally. But we're about to take off, just waiting on Andres. Let's see how this goes.
Alright guys, so taking over Jay's vlog. Oh shit, fucking yellow light. Alright guys, taking over Jay's vlog. You know, this will probably not make it. Me and Andre. Go, say something stupid.
No.
Say it. Go.
I like you, Jason.
I like you, Jason.
You say.
I just want to say that Jason has a little dick and Andres has the big dick, and yeah, Jason likes it up.
Dry as fuck.
Dry as. Sometimes if Andres is being nice, he'll like, you know. But yeah, that's it. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next vlog.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, it is currently the 1st of January 2021. Happy New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's to everybody. Happy holidays. I'm gonna start this year off with a cold start. First cold start of 2021, the new year. I love this car. I need to stop doing that though. I actually shouldn't even be driving it right now, because tomorrow, if everything goes good, I'm gonna take it to finally get fixed. Finally. Starting off 2021 with a bang and getting it fixed, and possibly some more goodies. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah, I'm gonna get that done. I kinda wanna go wash it today because I don't wanna take it to the shop all dirty. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's like filthy right now. I kinda wanna wash it just for fun. Let's see what we do. First pull of 2021. Should we do it?
The next day.
Hello guys, it's now the next day, and I'm walking out to this hunk of a man right here. What's up, baby?
What's good?
Haven't seen him in a minute. So I randomly texted him and told him to come with me to a morning car meet. Well, not a morning car meet, but a day car meet that I guess is happening a few cities away from us, and that's where we're going. You ready or what? Ready to break some necks or what?
Let's go.
Actually, before we go, I drove this car in the rain like a couple days ago, and I kind of want to clean this before the meet because I would want to wash it, but I don't have time. So let's clean this or what? I shouldn't be taking it to a meet looking like this, but I need the content for you guys. Now I gotta move that freaking boat. You guys really haven't seen this car on the channel in a minute. Yes, I still have it. I just... And we are off, baby. Eric got stuck behind that car behind me. Eric, come on, bro. Ponte las pilas, bro. Hi, Eric. Hey, this meet is pretty fucking packed. Hella car. Oh, what the fuck, bro? That's the VEARS car? No way, bro. That's sick as... The struggles of every single car meet. The window. There you go. You have to slam it, bro. I need to go fix that. Eric's fake ass left me. I parked all the way down there for whatever reason. Why'd you park over there, bro? Bye, bro. Don't even talk to me. Go over there, bro. I don't want to talk to you. Here, I brought you a water. Got a Z right in front of me. Sick ass fool. Another one. Damn, dog. I see you. Got the Civic. Oh, another Z, bro. It's just infested by Z's, bro. I need to get a new car. I need to get an R35 already. No, actually, those are common as fuck too now, so R34. Got a subscriber right there. Clean as G, my twin. Sick ass fool. Of the whole meet, this has to be my favorite set of cars right here. Dominic Toretto. Sick ass fool. This is so sick, bro. I don't know why, if it's just me, but in the movie, this car seems a lot longer. I know it's a regular RX-7, but like, I don't know, it just looks longer. Oh, look at the plates. D Toretto, sick. Look. Then we got the hijacker Civics, or whatever you call them. Sick as f, bro. I actually have one of this car in collection. Like an actual collection. Oh shit, Vin Diesel, what the f? Then we got the Eclipse over here. Ooh, RP, sick. And this thing, oh, clean 240. My boy Sambo right there, and that's your homie? Yeah. Damn, bro, this is me fucking popping. It's just huge. My boy Sambo right there. I seen this parking earlier, and I was gonna take it, but I didn't want to leave Eric, and he ended up leaving me, so it was like kind of pointless. But now they put a cone, so I can't park it. Bought it. Hey, bro, I'm a big fan, bro. Hey, you're pigs, bro. We moved on over here to the entrance next to. Ooh, sounds sick. That's looking dope, bro. Wouldn't it be so epic to race one of those just for fun? So yesterday, I finally got my lip painted, bro.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, you like it or not? Look at it.
Sick ass, bro.
Like it? Clean up.
Hell yeah, bro.
Sharpie paint, buddy. These cars over here on the grass, the off-roaders, everything is clean. Ooh. Ooh.
Mister must be nice.
Nice. Clean Genesis over here. Oh, dang. What? Who? Dang, bro, this thing's wet. Sheesh. Hey, I like this color. Very nice. I think in Isotech, that might be the next wrap company I go with. I thought this was strictly parked and chill. What the heck is going on? Got Paul Walker drifting. He's off-roading, off-roading. Let's see if anybody does some thought. Oh, G350, please do something cool, bro. Oh, oh. Oh. That's the best sounding V8 muscle car in my opinion. Oh my god. Was dipping, bro. Oh, look at this Z about a freaking. Oh my god. Another Z. What's my carbon hatch? What the fuck? Did you see that? It's like nice Z over there. Got the Tesla slammed on advance. Why did my life flash before my eyes, bro? I was like, I just looked this way and it's the car facing my way. Oh my god. Got a Clio 370 right here. That shit was dipping. I think it's time to go. I think it's time for us to do the pool. Sick ass pool. What the fuck, bro?
Are you laughing, fool?
Why are you? I'm not laughing. That was a clean ass car, bro.